हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं आपका जिशान बैक विद अ न्यू वीडियो। वीडियो पार्ट टू। तो ये है जस्ट पेट स्टोर, जो मैं यहाँ पे हर एक तरीके के बर्ड कैप्चर करने की कोशिश किया है और साथ साथ मैं आपको इसका नाम भी बोलने की कोशिश करूँगा। सो यस, लेट्स क्विकली स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। और जो अभी आप बर्ड देख रहे हो, दिस इज़ अ नॉर्मल इंडियन रिंग नेक पैराकीट। दिस इज़ अ पिंक cockatoo, just followed by an white cockatoo again, and it was well tamed, well trained parrot. It was just 60 days old, but it was so cute and very well trained. और जो पिंक काकाटू के बाजू में बैठा है, that is African grey parrot, which is very famous in India these days. Let me take a close-up view of it. This is a red and blue lorry, and these are red rams and rosillas, which is one of the famous birds again, and so beautiful, beautiful colorations. And this is called finches, and these are exotic finches which comes in orange and red colors. And we have many other finches as well. Following this video you can get to see all of them. So yeah, these are again finches with multiple colorations in it. And one more thing, what you can observe here is all the cages have been filled up with toys where they can play, they can enjoy their flying space. So this is what I like the most in London stores. And the birds were so active, clean, very well maintained. It's just appreciated the way they maintain this. And these are our normal lovebirds where we could keep on seeing this in India. हर जगह इंडिया पे दिखता है। और यहाँ पे देखो कितना क्लीन ये लोग मेंटेन किए हैं। एंड लुक एट दिस ब्यूटी अगेन। ये फिंचेस में अगेन दीज आर कॉल्ड ऑरेंज मिनी फिंचेस। दिस इज अ ऑरेंज hair cap finch, and these are called blue gold finches, which comes in multiple colorations. और ये जो डार्क दिखता है, this is male, and the one which looks lighter in color, those are females again. So they were so lovely. These were lovely mini doves, and the next one would be a double XL doves, which were really really pretty. And this comes one of my favorite African lovebirds, which I had kept in my hometown from very long time. And these are some of the cocktails. The yellow one is called Lutino cocktail. The other one which is sitting is pearl cocktail again. And these are our ringnet parakeets, which comes in multiple colors: green, blue, light green, white parrots. Same as well. This is just a normal green, dark green, and a yellowish parrot again. These are called parrots, which is again a parrot family, uh, which is in between a parrots and a lovebird. And these are again mini finchers. This was a cute pair of myna, and this is called Amazon green parrot, which comes in exotic parrots again. It wasn't tamed well. That's the reason I just didn't hold it in my hand. But it was really cute, and one of my favorite birds and exotic birds, I can say. This was a beautiful trained Alexander, which I had explained you now in my previous video. It's the same video, I just posted it here. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. Hope you liked it and keep supporting me. Love you all. Thanks again.